In a disturbing incident from Odisha's Bolangir district, doctors were forced to treat patients using a mobile phone's torchlight after a sudden power outage at a rural hospital. The incident took place at Devgaon Community Health Center, where two patients were undergoing treatment when power supply got disrupted. With no generator or backup system in place, the attending doctor had no option but to rely on a mobile torch to continue the procedure. This alarming scene has sparked public outrage, especially as the center caters to over 50 nearby villages. Locals have raised serious concerns about the lack of basic infrastructure in such a crucial health facility. Despite the gravity of the situation, neither hospital authorities nor the local administration have issued any response so far. The event highlights the continuing challenges of rural healthcare in Odisha, where even essential services remain vulnerable in times of need.
चिकित्सा लाइन पलैगलान तो डॉक्टर मैंने निजे ट्रिटमेंट करी टच रे देखिरी ये करूछन
एन गला परे
हम मोबाइल टच रे
चिकित्सा कले
आज्ञा हम स्वास्थ्य मंत्री आज्ञा एते रिक्वेस्ट करछे हम देवगाम ब्लॉक रो हॉस्पिटल के ताउटा टे तार ये असुविधा टे तार सुनी रे कंप्लीट करले बहुत रोगी मुगर बहुत सुविधा है।